To fold a square napkin into a standing fan, start by folding it in half to form a rectangle. Grab the edge of one of the short sides and fold it up to make the first pleat. The size of the first pleat will determine how wide the rest of the pleats will be. Grab that first pleat and fold it under to make a new pleat of the same width going in the opposite direction. Fold those two pleats upward to make a third. Repeat this process, alternating folding over and under until about half of the napkin is folded accordion style. Turn the folded napkin upside down and fold it in half widthwise to make a smaller rectangle. Next, grab one of the top corners of the napkin, fold it over diagonally, and tuck it into the middle of the accordion folded section. Stand the napkin up on its back edge so the open ends of the accordion fold face up. Then let the folds fall open to create a fan.